Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be talking about anti-vibration feet for your Bambu P1S printer. We're going to go over installation, benefits, and alternative options, so stay tuned. To start off, I 3D printed this model so that I could attach 2 feet per corner of the printer. You'll have to tilt your printer backwards, so make sure that you unplug everything that might get in the way or could get damaged. You don't have to add 2 feet per corner. You can get away with 1. I just prefer better stability. Also, I think this is a given if you're doing this, but don't forget to remove the seals in the bottom 4 corners of the printer. I have attached a link to the model in the description below. The way I see it, whether you order the feet off Amazon or the Bambu store, you're typically getting a pack of 8 feet, so you might as well use them. Next, make sure you add a few drops of glue in the slots of the 3D printed model and attach the feet. Let it dry for approximately 10 minutes and then attach it to the 4 corners of the printer. Then slowly raise your printer and stand it up. After installing your feet, I do recommend calibrating the printer. Once this process is done, you should be good to go. So why should you install this to your printer setup? Well, in my eyes, you get cleaner surface finishes and sharper details on your prints. Your desk rattling is reduced, and overall, it sounds less harsh. Since the anti-vibration feet have soft rubber or silicone pads, they prevent scratches or dents on your desk or shelf, or wherever you keep the printer at. And because there's less vibration, it means there's going to be less disturbance to your bed leveling over longer prints. Another benefit is that the feet are usually inexpensive, and you can find them virtually anywhere. Now, I know I mentioned that you can purchase these feet on Amazon or the Bambu store for a very affordable price, but you can also 3D print your feet as well. It just has to be in TPU. So if you have some laying around, you're already saving yourself some money by using the filament you already have. So just to be safe, make sure you print it at slow speeds. In the description below, I have attached the model link. These anti-vibration feet do make a difference, and I hope they make a difference for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you decide to make the extra step with your print quality like I have. Make sure to comment if you have any ideas or questions, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.